AI stands for artificial intelligence. It will allow you to automate things in your life that can be done by a machine, so said, right? Which is scary to some, because then people start worrying if their livelihoods, I should say, their money-making activities are going to be eliminated and replaced by a machine. And yes, some jobs will be. Me as a realtor, I'm not worried that my job is ever going to be taken away from technology, because if buyers and sellers are ever communicate directly with each other, I think maybe 10% of the transactions will actually close, right? Like the seller's need and the buyer's need will never meet without a punching bag in the middle, and that's our job, right? But as Rick said, our job's not going to be taken by a technology or an AI. It's going to be taken by another realtor who uses AI, right? Because they are going to be able to market themselves to the world and put themselves out there much faster, much more accurate, and much more fun when an AI types up your bio and your description and stuff like that. Plus, it's going to allow you to get your life back, right? So when you can automate and eliminate and one of the words, delegate things off of your plate, right? It's going to allow you to have more time for life. So the other thing about AI, then I want you to look at technology. I don't want anybody to be afraid of it. I don't want anybody to be like, oh my gosh, all of this technology, I don't know what to do. So let's go into ManyChat. ManyChat is one of my favorite things to use. This will allow you to automate messages to people. The next one, and a big one, is ChatGPT. You're all using ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT, please start using ChatGPT. It's amazing. It will make your life so much easier. Another one that we use is called VidIQ. If you guys want to start using, or if you're already using YouTube, right, or any platform that you use, you need to learn to play the game. They all have algorithms. They all have rules to the game, and you need to learn how to play it. So here's an example of how we are using VidIQ. Now, I don't recommend it unless you really want to. If you are taking your YouTube game seriously, that's when I would recommend for you to get this AI. Video AI, this one, video is spelled a little funny, is VIDYO.ai. It's an artificial intelligence. Will allow you to chop up long videos into short videos. So AI can be scary. AI can make yourself much easier, but also AI is neutral, meaning you can use it for good, and some bad people are going to use it for bad. I can totally see this one being used for bad. So I feel like as AI, as us smart people are creating more and more and more technology, I feel like our government will also going to have to create some sort of a laws and regulation around it, that nobody can just go on my Instagram, take my voice, type it up, and tell the bank clerk to empty my bank account. Like, you know what I mean? Like if they can recognize you from your retina, they can recognize you from your voice. Well, how can you tell if it's not voice, if it's an AI? There's going to have to be some sort of a security around it. Just like your accounts can be verified online, I feel like our voice, our retinas, our fingerprints are going to have to be also verified at some point, and there's going to have to be some sort of a regulation from the government.